Hi everybody, today I'm making double baked potatoes. But I'm going to do them in my Instant Pot, the potatoes, and then I will take them out, take out the stuffing out of them, and mix it with cheese and whatever else I can think of, bacon if I have it, and put it back into the potatoes and then bake them in the oven. There's a bunch of potatoes I just put in my Instant Pot, and I'm putting in just over a cup of water. And then I'm going to plug it in and put pressure cook for 10 minutes. Well, there we have it. The potatoes are all cooked. Let me take them out, let them cool off a little bit. So I'm just going to let them cool. I'm going to cut them in half and scoop out the middle of them. I'm going to cool it down so that I can touch them, but split them open so they cool down a bit quicker. I'm doing a double batch so that I'm going to do some for now, and I'm going to freeze some for another meal. Scooped out the potatoes. If they fall apart like this one, don't worry, because once you put the filling back in, you could squish the skin back together. But if they really fall apart, don't worry, just mash it all together and then pipe in a piping bag, and you can make a shape that looks like a potato. So there's the stuff that was in potatoes, and here's the ones that I'm going to do for the freezer. I'm not going to bake these, I'm just going to stuff them and then freeze it. I fried up a pound of bacon. I'm going to chop it up even smaller and use the bacon grease in the potatoes. Pouring the bacon grease in the potatoes. Using bacon grease instead of butter. I'm using 500 mils, 2 cups of sour cream. Then you just mash it. Dump the bacon bits in there. If you have store-bought bacon bits, use those. I didn't, so I fried up some bacon and made my own. I put some Parmesan cheese and some mozzarella. There's this bag, so probably about a cup or more, depending on how many potatoes you have. Because you want cheesy and bacony, and then you mash it all together. And add a bit of salt. You could put garlic powder in there if you'd like. I'm just doing salt. And then you take some and you restuff the potato shells. And this is them all stuffed. You could add more cheese on the top. And then here's the ones for the freezer. There's 8 in here. I'm just going to put a lid on this and freeze it, mark it. I'll take it out and put it in the oven. You could put cheese. I might when I take it out. But these I'm just going to bake. In the one for the freezer, there's 8 for one meal. Here, there's 12. So that should be enough for hopefully some leftovers. So, and there we have it. I'm going to put in the oven at 375 for about 10-15 minutes until they get nice and golden on the top. When they're frozen, you should put them in for at least half an hour, or defrost them overnight and then do 10-15 minutes. There you have it. Beautiful potatoes. Double stuffed potatoes. You could put cheese on them or anything you'd like. This is my video for making double stuffed potatoes, and I double batched it for the low spend month of June. And today challenge was to double batch something, so I have this for supper as well as one for the freezer for another time when I don't have to think about a side. This video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.